Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I got something a little different for you. This is a budget flashlight, an EDC light, that is extremely bright and costs only $7. I don't think they still carry these right now, but if you ever see these again, grab one, grab two, buy one for the whole family. Yeah. Great. Gives you two ways of carrying it, either a pocket clip or the sheath. The sheath is actually relatively nice. It's got this sort of rubberized inside to it. Holds well to your belt. I've carried this on my belt a number of times. I actually carried this on my belt crawling under a house one day. I've since cleaned it. Yeah, that's why it's not filthy still. But I snagged it on some stuff. It held up really well. This nylon on the back is still just really nice. It's double stitched and then reinforced. Just really nice sheath for this light. For the price, like, yeah, I mean, there's just no way you can beat it. Remember, $7 is the price point on this light. And the light is a Lightway, sold by Aldi. Yeah, the grocery store, Aldi. It was just one of their purchases. I happened to be in there looking for something one day, and this is what I found. I couldn't believe it. It was $6.99 plus tax, so right at $7 here in South Carolina. But it's got a CREE LED in it now. I've thrown the packaging away. I can't find much information on this online, so I don't know exactly what emitter that is. But it is a CREE, and it is 3 watts. It is somewhat of a cool white, but very, very close to a neutral white, and that's low. The first one was high. It's got 2 modes with a tail click switch. So again, high, low, and then off, and it cycles through those. You just press it once for high, press it again, you get low, press it again, you get off. It's made out of milled aluminum. This knurling is very, very, very functional. Feels good in the hand. It's a very small light. I mean, overall, we're talking, 6 and a quarter inches. Diameter on the head is just at 1 inch. So yeah, not a huge light. It runs off of 2 AA batteries, and for that you get a lot of light. It's also got a zoom function, and it's one of the push-pull zooms. So you pull on the head and you get that wonderful spot zoom. You push it back in and you get the flood. Again, in low mode, flood, zoom, back to flood, and then off. The pocket clip here is very functional. I've used it as well a lot. I did carry this a good bit when I was still doing mechanic work, to see down inside of engines and everything. Very bright light, but not very large. You can see a few more specs on it here. 2x 1.5 volt AA batteries, LR6 or AA's. Very nice aluminum finish. It is water resistant. I've had this in the rain. Very nice water resistant capabilities. No water got in anywhere. I don't know if you could submerge this. I don't think I would try, but it seems to be sealed very well. Has a convex resin lens on it, which gives you that great throw and that great flood as well. The threads are extremely smooth here. You can see the tail cap. I'm just using, because I'm cheap, Ingles in this area. Ingles Supermarket sells the Rayovac Maximum Plus alkaline batteries in 4 packs for $1 from time to time. And that's what these are. I love these batteries. You have to be careful though, because they will leak when they get older. But let's see if you can't really see down in that battery compartment, but it's just a very clean mill. Anodized on the inside and the outside. So yeah, these threads are just butter smooth. You got the washer here. I don't know if there's one at the front, but it feels like there is on this head. It's a very just smooth, fluid head. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful bright light. Oh goodness. Let's see if we can get that fire truck to go by before I finish here. I live really close to the center of town, which is where our fire station is here. So always get to hear a lot of fire trucks, police cars, things like that. But yes, all in all, I really love this light. This is my go-to light for carrying around, just because you get the function of the zoom head, so you can flood or zoom, get a nice spot. And it's got a really, really nice pattern too, especially far off, which I can't obviously show you here in a tabletop review, but as well as it's got the the function of you can either carry it just the light in your pocket, which does stick out a good bit, but I've never had any trouble with it falling out just because of the way it's balanced. It's well balanced. Or you can carry it on your belt in the sheath, which I really like. I like the sort of dual functions there. It came with this all for $7. Also like the tail switch and the fact that it doesn't have that annoying strobe function. So you get two modes that you can easily cycle between without a crazy strobe that will give you a seizure. So yeah, this is again the Lightway CREE LED from Aldi. If you see one, pick it up. You won't be unimpressed, I don't think. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with what you can get for $7 and a nice flashlight. Alright, thanks again guys for watching. If you would go down and subscribe, like, comment, if you want to know some more information about this, if I can find any, I will put it in the section below. I don't think I can find a link on this. I tried earlier, couldn't find one. But yeah, oh, before I go, I always seem to forget this. Let's just take the weight on this. It's with batteries. It is 5.1 ounces. Add the sheath in for good measure, and you get 5.6. So with a set of good alkalines, 5 ounces or so, switch that over 144 grams or 160 grams with the sheath. Oops, sorry about that. But yeah, so not a very heavy light, not an extremely compact light, but it gets the job done, and it gets it done very well for a price point of only $7. So yeah, pick one up. You won't be disappointed. See you guys later. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.